Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix read later articles not syncing immediately. So when you tap on the three lines at the bottom left and you want to go with read later, it's the second option under today. And yeah, so the read later articles not syncing right here. What to do then? You will need at first to check your internet connection. So sync requires a stable connection. So just go ahead and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to test and avoid very slow networks. So you may need to change the internet. Okay. Also, you can for sync and refresh. So just go ahead and pull down to refresh your feeds in the app, and in read later section do that manually. Okay, and also you will need to check the account login, so make sure you're logged into the same Feedly account that you can see at the bottom of that left side bar. Okay, on all devices, and you may need to log out and log back and to force the full sync. Also guys, why not, you can check for a new update of the app on your store. So if you are using Android, just go with your Google Play Store. For the iOS, it's the Apple App Store. Right here, go ahead and look for the Feedly app. Okay, and then tap on Feedly, find and tap, and then tap on updates if available. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.